Imusagon loda itoronarite Etutuorok luidwe Ipesur kotoma inapetana bolia show nesi itolo mununo kotoma apapula enu egitigita kotoma kwapwok.
The fans are in the stadium, but the players are not there. The match officials are waiting for you guys to fill in the form. Etoronar, they are waiting for you to fill in the form from wherever you guys are.
Fred Mugwera Etutuorok Cranes Netball Club ko Uganda nesi Etoronar Etutuorok luda apedo sabongonokin idwe Ipesur luda Etutuorok tekesi.
Now my humble request is, if you are given a team to train, let us train the sport, not anything else apart from the sport. Some schools no longer want male coaches. Why? Instead of training girls how to play the sport that we have been told to train, you go and train a different sport. It's bad, and more especially those of us who are in netball circles. It is tarnishing our names. And they think that every netball coach does that. Or every male coach who is training a female team does this that thing. So it is my humble request that let us desist from that. Take these girls as if they are your own children. Which parent will accept to sleep with his own daughter?
Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.